E.M. Azhar welcomed with flowers after being freed. In a recent event, E.M. Azharul Islam, who was sentenced to death in a war crimes case from 1971, was cleared of all charges by the higher court. After spending about 14 years in prison, he was released from a medical prison in Dhaka, Bangladesh. The Jamaat-e-Islami group gave him a warm welcome with flowers at Shahbag Square. During the celebration, Azhar expressed his gratitude to Allah for his freedom and thanked the court for his lawyers. He also praised the efforts of brave students and the army that helped bring justice. Leaders from Jamaat-e-Islam spoke highly of Azhar and said that the country's struggles and sacrifices led to the fall of the oppressive government. They promised to continue working for the nation and to face future challenges together. Many leaders or supporters attended the event to show their support and respect for Azhar.
আগস্টে মহাবিপ্লবী নায়কদের জন্য আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাতে চাই। তাদের অক্লান্ত পরিশ্রম আন্দোলন তাদের মাধ্যমে স্বৈরাচার ফ্যাসিস্ট সরকারের পতন হতে বাধ্য হয়েছিল এবং সবচেয়ে আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাবো এই ক্ষেত্রে ছাত্র সমাজকে যারা অতীতের